Are you looking for the best drywall sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 7 best drywall sanders. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 7th product on our list is the WEN Dual Head Drywall Sander. This powered when model includes 2 different sanding heads, so whether you're covering wide swaths with the circular pad or running along edges and corners with the triangular attachment, you have everything you need. These heads are easy to attach as well, so you won't need to waste time fumbling with tools or fasteners when you want to swap them out. This specific model is also an upgrade from the similar 2017 version, with a more efficient dust hole configuration for improved dust extraction. The variable speed controls increase overall versatility and functionality, too, since you have control over how fast the pads spin or vibrate. This feature really comes in handy when you want to be extra delicate and avoid oversanding or gouging your work surface. Up next in the 6th place is the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Drywall Sander. DeWalt's Cordless Drywall Sander is an investment, but if you spend a lot of time sanding or installing drywall, it's worth it. With its 9-inch head, it covers a lot of ground quickly. It features a variable speed dial that adjusts the sander's speed from the 700 to 1200 RPM for scaling back the power to avoid gouging the drywall. It's also compatible with DeWalt dust collectors to minimize mess. Just be prepared for workout, as it weighs close to 13 pounds. The cordless design makes it easier to use, though you're limited to about 30 minutes of runtime with a suggested 5Ah battery. Coming in at number 5 is the Hyde Drywall Vacuum Hand Sander. This manual hand sander is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordably priced alternative to use in tandem with their shop vac. The included hose features a coupling adapter that fits any wet-dry vac, and at 6 feet, is long enough to use without dragging the vac around too much. A simple clamping system makes it simple to switch out sanding screens while you work, and it even comes with one to get you started. Plus, the control valve at the base of the sander lets you adjust the strength of the suction being applied. At number 4, we have the Festool Drywall Sander. We've used Festool power tools for years, and this professional-grade drywall sander is a great example of their dedication to quality and precision. Weighing just 7.9 pounds and balanced for maximum comfort, this is a great option for those with large, multi-room projects. The brushed edges of the head prevent excess dust from escaping, making it easy for the vacuum hose to do its job. You can even remove a section of this edging for getting as close as possible to those tricky inside edges, which cuts down on manual sanding time. This model is significantly more expensive than the other options on our list, but for those looking for a professional-grade option that's built to last, this Festool model is worth the investment. The 3rd product on our list is the WEN 1085 Handheld Drywall Sander. The 8.5-inch circular pad on this one model powers through larger sanding projects, and the textured handles are comfortable to grip and control while you work. We really appreciate the fact that this handle can be attached to either side of the unit, so it's useful for both right and left-handed users. What really separates this handheld sander from similar models is that it includes its own dust collection bag, so there's no need to supply your own shop vac. You can also adjust the vacuum suction strength by using the handle-mounted adjustment wheel. At 6.6 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, reducing hand and shoulder fatigue during those all-day projects. If you do start getting tired, use the included shoulder strap. Second on our list is the WEN 6377 Variable Speed Dual Head Drywall Sander. The WEN 6377 drywall sanding vacuum is a corded electric model with a 5 AMP head-mounted motor that pivots and swivels for easy sanding. It offers variable speeds between 600 and 1500 revolutions per minute, RPM, making quick work of big projects. It comes with a standard 8.5-inch round head for large spaces and a triangular head to reach corners, and no tools are necessary to switch between the two. We found we didn't use the triangular head all that often in our tests, but having the option to do so is nice since hand sounding corners with a block is the only alternative. When working on the ceiling, We appreciated the relatively light weight of this tool, just 9 pounds without one of the swappable heads attached, and the fact that the weight is fairly evenly distributed. The adjustable shoulder strap made using and carrying it even easier, and the 15-foot hose allowed us to get up high while remaining connected to our wet/dry vac. Still, it would be nice if this drywall sanding vacuum tool came with a bag. It does, however, come with a starter pack of sanding sheets that includes 5 of both round and triangle in grits of 60, 80, 120, 150, 180, and 240. Finally, the top product on our list is the Hyde 09170 Dust-Free Pole Sander Kit. Manual pole sanders offer a low-cost alternative to buying an electric sander machine for drywall, but their usual drawback, apart from the physical effort required, is that drywall dust gets everywhere. However, since the Hyde 09170 vacuum sander includes a hose attachment plus an adapter that fits most wet/dry vacs, it strikes an excellent balance between affordable and user-friendly. Though this manual sander requires more physical input than a power option, we appreciated how much cleanup effort the hose saves us since it did such a good job collecting sanding dust. It even has adjustable vents that allow you to regulate the suction level to ensure you suck up as much dust as possible. We also like that the swiveling head clamps to a sanding screen rather than using hook and loop abrasives, and that the head remains flat during use instead of flipping over like many pole sanders do. Though this dust-free drywall sander kit comes with a washable, reusable screen, it doesn't include a handle. It does have universal threads, however, so it will work with a standard broom or painter's pole. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.